Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video about a product that's been out for a while, but I think is seriously underrated and underused. It's called Mother's Back to Black Tire Cleaner. It is a waterless tire cleaner. So if you're into rinseless washing or waterless washing, this is a great way to clean your tires, and it works really well. So I got this dirty tire because this car got driven in the snow about a week ago, and it's just now nice enough to pull it out and clean it. So I'm going to hit the tire with the Back to Black. So we'll let it sit for a little bit, and we'll give it a good scrub here. You see it's foaming up there some, and you can use it with a brush. Usually I just use it like a utility microfiber towel that if it gets too junked up, I can throw it out. So I just use cheapos for the tires. But this is, like in wintertime, this is a good way to clean your tires, or if you're just into rinseless and waterless washing, don't want to get the hose out, as opposed to using like a true tire cleaner or a degreaser, you know, whatever you typically use for dirty tires. So let's give this a wipe. I'm gonna waterless wash the wheel after we get done with the tire. But I wanted to show you guys how this waterless tire cleaner works. And it works shockingly good. I know I mentioned in one of my other videos when I was showing a tire dressing, but never had shown what this looks like before you dress the tires. But as y'all can see, yes, the wheel's pretty dirty. It's getting cleaned next, but look how fast it cleaned that tire. Got a little scuff mark on here. That's not dirt, but I mean, look how fast that cleaned that tire. And it's nice and black. I mean, I'll hit it again, see if I can get a little cleaner, but usually it gets around the first time. If you use a brush on it, it'll foam up some more, but I don't know if it really cleans it that much better. So let it dry. Yeah, really didn't seem to clean a whole lot more. Just the one application cleaned it up quite a bit. So if you guys want a way to clean tires, waterless or rinseless, this is a great product to do it with. Thanks for watching.